Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we're going to work on question 32, sales analysis. The business goal here is to find the weekly order counts in different product categories. For example, categories like farm and lawn and garden for the year 2021. We'll write SQL queries in SQL Server Management Studio, step by step, and analyze the results. Let's first understand the data we're working with. We have an orders table that stores sales records. Each row contains customer number, product and part number, shipped quantity, and order date. Order date stored as a float in YYM-MDD format, like 210101 for January 1st, 2021. Then we have a products table. This table contains product number and part number, SKU description, category, such as farm or lawn and garden, category number. The combination of product number and part number is unique in the products table, and that's what we'll use to join orders with products. Our final goal: return a table showing category, week number, and the weekly total shipped quantity. Then sort the results by category ascending and by order quantity descending within each category. The sample of the expected output is like the following table. Now let's see the solution in the SQL Server Management Studio. The first challenge is the order date column. It's stored as a float in YYM-MDD format, and we need to convert this into a proper SQL date type. Here's how we do it. We turns it from float into a string, and rebuilds it into the format YYYYM-MDD. Then we can use date-part-week to extract the week number of the year. We'll create a common table expression, CTE, that joins orders and products, adds the category, and calculates the week number. This CTE prepares all the data we need for aggregation. From the CTE, we now group the data by category and week number, and sum the shipped quantities. This gives us the weekly totals for farm and lawn and garden, sorted properly. Execute the query and we can see, in category farm, week 15 to week 23 have relatively more shipped quantity, suggesting higher sale in April to May. And for lawn and garden, weeks 40 to 42 stand out with huge sales, around 30,000 to 60,000 orders, showing a seasonal spike in September and October. Instead of grouping, we can use some partition by category, week number, as in the query. The difference is, the window function computes the total for each partition but repeats the value on every row. That's why we need distinct to remove duplicates. But remember, distinct happens after the window calculation, so the database doesn't guarantee row order at that stage. Therefore, we must rely on the final order by to control how results are displayed. So, to summarize, we learned how to convert a float-style date into a proper SQL date. We used date-part to extract week numbers. We wrote queries with both group by and partition by to calculate weekly totals. And we saw that sorting must always be done in the final order by clause. This kind of weekly sales analysis is very useful for spotting seasonal sales trends, like farm products peaking in spring and lawn and garden booming in early fall. That wraps up question 32. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.